Hi guys, welcome to TFA Files TV. We are back again with the latest gossip. Nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutenderera pasocial media. More boys munetsi achimira nedzinyati family achizama kurecover Facebook yavo neWhatsApp yavo, saka vanhu vakaheka vari kudhimanda mari, vari kutoda 10,000 zvichienda pamusoro. Terai munzwa vachitaurirana.
Hello, I'm waiting to you.
I just want to know if you are in or you are not, because you know what, soon I'm going to deactivate this account, so you won't be able to get hold of me, you understand, after some minutes. So I want to know if you are on or you are not.
Are you talking about me paying that 10,000? You are talking about me paying that 10,000 for the card to be back.
Yes.
So you are saying that if we pay 10,000 rand, they are able to get their page.
Yes, definitely. Actually, I'm the one who is using the page and the WhatsApp number. This WhatsApp, the reason why I'm calling you the WhatsApp number is the assurance that you know that I'm the one who gets the page.
Okay, but you can talk, but the 10,000 is too much. Is it possible maybe if we can negotiate that 10,000?
How much do you have now? But this WhatsApp I'm getting, you know, like I get it like now. I'm the one who gets the WhatsApp.
Yes.
So I'm getting a lot of messages. They are coming through new numbers on WhatsApp. I don't know who posted this number on their Facebook, you understand? So I'm getting, there are high volumes of messages getting right now in my account. So like now, this WhatsApp anytime soon is going to be closed. So if this WhatsApp is closed, there's no way that you can get hold of me, because that stage I changed everything there. They won't be able to get it back.
So are you saying that it's a WhatsApp number in the Facebook page? You are the one who is in control?
Yes, I'm the one. I'm the one. That's why I'm calling you with their number, so that you can, again, this is Nyati's number, so that you can verify in this Nyati's numbers.
Yes, I understand. It's okay. Don't worry, my brother. Don't run to deactivate it. Yes.
Always listen. If I can prove you, if I need to prove, can I send on their WhatsApp, Facebook page right now, so that you be sure that I'm the one.
You know what? I believe that you are the one who is in control, because you are calling me direct with their number. That evidence is enough. That evidence is enough. I'm not doubting you. Trust me. I'm not doubting you. But before you deactivate, I'm just asking you, is there another way that you can also help them on their Facebook page to be back?
The only way I told you, I just want man. I'm the one who took the thing. I just want man. So if you say that 10,000 is much, how much are you willing to pay?
Okay, you know what I'm trying to do is that zvandikuda kuzama kuita apa ndezvekuti ndikuda kuzama kuti ndivabate ivo vefamily yachona handitika muri kunzwa here, then to arrange a payment yachona, musamhanye kudeactivate. If you can remember, tatanga kutaura manje manje ka tatanga kutaura manje manje. If you can just allow me kuti ndizame kuvabata, ndikusama kufonera kutsvaga nhamba yamai vachona neyababa vachona, kune vanhu vekumpumalanga vaigara navo.
In this phone right now, let me send you. Just tell me.
Yeah, ndipe nhamba yamai yababa Nyati, yababa vachona neyamai vachona, ndokwanisa kumubata, then we can make a plan. Hey. Yes? Wakati my papers. Iroga. Yeso ngosta mako. Hey, mazonzwa kagaisa zviri kuitika izvizvi. Muri kuzoona ndiri kufonerwa nenhamba iyi yevanhu vachona vari kuti vanayo. But something interesting guys, kuti number iri kuappear paprofile picture. I will send you the number that is appearing on the profile picture. Ndiye munhu wachona abata ma-earphones wandava kutaura naye. Yeah. Kuna vamwe vanga vachiti ndiri kubika ma-stories. Mazvinzwira mega. Munhu wachona atora page yachona. Ndiye ataura naye. Aisa picture remunhu akafanana Shilton izvozvi. Ndiyo yaprofile picture. Profile picture yaisa ndiye Shilton. So yemunhu akafanana Shilton. So I don't want to say, I'm going to show you guys kuti tinzwisisane kuti I'm not saying directly, but picture, profile picture ish. I don't know kuti munokwanisa kuiona here. Ndo profile picture munhu ndiri kutaura nayo kuti ndiye aisa munhu akafanana naShelton, ndo aisa. So handizozivi manje kuti ndiye here. Just check, this is the profile picture yemunhu wachona andachitaura naye ari kutondifonera ushu. So handizozivi. I wouldn't want to say kuti ndangotaura kuti profile picture ishi ndo yapo, ndiye munhu ari kutondifonera uyu. Ndiye ari kutaura, ari kuti ada 10,000 kuti zvese zvidzose. Ega handizame kumufonera, I'm think anondifonera back. Handisi kuti ndiShelton guys. Ndoda kumuchenura Shelton. Handingade kunyepa guys kuti ndiye. Ndationa profile picture yaari kushandisa. Handiti musazoti Mr. Munetsa wangu achiti Shelton. Ndati ndo profile picture yachona ishi. Ndo profile picture yemunhu uyu.